Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Hello, welcome to the Clover Power Cooking School. My name's Emma and this is Gracie, and we're students studying dietetics at Iowa State University.
We are so excited to be cooking with you today. Today we're making a recipe from Iowa State's Spend Smart, Eat Smart website, and the recipe we're making is fruit kabobs with yogurt dip.
Today we're focusing on incorporating fruit into our snacks, and fruit is important because it provides vitamins and fiber. Vitamins, especially vitamin C, are good for our immune system and keeping us healthy, and fiber helps to support digestion.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with cooking today. Before we do anything with our recipe, I wanna make sure everyone washes their hands. We've already washed ours, but if you haven't yet, go ahead and do so now, making sure to get in between your fingers and underneath your fingernails.
Now that our hands are washed, we are going to get all of our ingredients, and we have them laid out on the counter. First, for the yogurt dip, you'll need a small container of any yogurt. You'll need a container of Cool Whip, a few scoops of that. You'll need some toothpicks or skewers to put our fruit on. And the fruit we have today is a small can of pineapple, some grapes, and a small banana.
And then for the recipe, we will need a cutting board, a butter knife for cutting our banana, a couple of spoons for mixing, a mixing bowl, a strainer for washing your fruit, and then a platter for serving our kabobs when we're done.
Once you have all of your ingredients and supplies ready, we're ready to start. First, make sure you wash your grapes, and now that they're washed, Gracie is going to take them off the stem for us. And while she does that, I'm going to peel and cut our banana. For a banana, using a butter knife will be perfectly fine. And I like to use the claw method so it keeps your fingers out of the way while you're cutting. And you'll just need small slices of banana.
Awesome, those look great. And while she's cutting up the banana, I'm gonna open our can of pineapple. So you wanna be very careful while you're opening this because the edges can be a little sharp, but all you'll do is pull back the tab and then go ahead and drain that over a sink.
Now that our fruit is ready to go, we can start assembling our kabobs. You will just thread the fruit onto the kabob, and you can put it in any order and switch it up for each kabob. Just like this.
Now that our fruit kabobs are all done, we're gonna go ahead and start our yogurt dip. So right here, I have a cup of strawberry flavored yogurt. And you can use whatever kind of yogurt you like. I think blueberry and vanilla would also be really good in this. And then along with our yogurt, we're gonna add a couple scoops of whipped topping. So depending on how sweet you like it, I'm gonna add one big old scoop. And then all you're gonna do is just mix it really well. So try to get in all the whipped topping so it's completely incorporated. A couple good scoops. And then to make it pretty, we're gonna add it to a serving bowl. Just however much will fit. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, and then we're gonna add it to our serving platter just like that.
Today we used bananas, grapes, and pineapple for our fruit kabobs. What other fruit would you like to see?
I think I would like to add apples to mine. You could also add oranges, pears, or even kiwi to your snack.
You can also use dairy-free yogurt options.
All three of the fruits we used today had vitamin C. Aiming to get about 5 fruits or vegetables in your day can increase fiber and nutrients in your diet.
We hope you enjoyed making this snack and you'll enjoy tasting it too. Thanks for cooking with us today.